Good morning everyone, welcome in the science class. Today we are going to start chapter 5 of class 5, that is reproduction in plant. So children, plants are very useful for us. We cannot exist without plant. Plant gives us many useful things. Plant gives us food, oxygen, clothes and many more useful things. We can use the oxygen for breathing. We cannot live without oxygen. All living thing, plant are also a living thing, and all living thing has the capability to reproduce. The process by which all living being can produce their young ones of their own kind is called as reproduction. Without reproduction, there is no life possible on earth. So, reproduction is the process to continue the life cycle on the earth of the same kind. All living beings, humans, insect, plant, birds, animal can reproduce. The reproduction in plants are in three ways: reproduction through seed, reproduction through spores, and reproduction through different part of the plant. Reproduction through seed. Most of the plant can reproduce through seed. Flower of the seed, flower grow into a fruit, and fruit contain a seed that grow into a new plant. With the presence of suitable amount of air, water and sunlight, it grow into a new plant. Now let's learn about the parts of plant. So the beautiful and the visible colorful part of the flower is called as sepals. And the green part of the flower which support the budding of the flower from damage is called as petals. Stamen is the male reproductive part which consists of anther and filament, and carpel is the female reproductive part which consists of style, stigma and ovary. The pollen grains can passes from male part of to the female part of the flower is called as pollination, which help in the reproduce of flower and help to grow into a new plant. The process by which seed grow into a seedling is called as germination. Now let's learn about dispersal of seed. The scattered of seed from the parent away from the parent plant is called as dispersal of seed. There are various agents to disperse the seed. They are wind, water, animal, explosion, etc. Reproduction through spores. Most non-flowering plants do not contain seed and flower, so they can reproduce through spores. They produce spores in suitable condition, and these spores grow into a new plant. Some non-flowering plants are fern, mushroom, etc. Reproduction through different part of the plant. Some plant can reproduce through different part of the plant, such as roots, leaves and stems. Some plant such as reproduce through roots are beetroot, sweet potato, etc. Some plant which reproduce through stem cutting, such as onion, potato, etc. Some plant can reproduce through leaves, example bryophyllum, etc. Now let's learn about crop. Plant of one kind grown into a particular region for a particular time is called as crop. There are two types of crop are grown in our field: Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Rabi crop are grown in winter from November to April. This is called as Rabi crop, example wheat and gram, and Kharif crop are grown in the summer season from May to July. This is called as Kharif crop, example rice, jowar, bajra, etc. That's all in this chapter, children. I hope you easily understood this chapter. So your homework for today is you can write 5 Rabi crops and 5 Kharif crops and also paste the picture of it. Thank you.